Hi, welcome back to the Hybrid and Online Teacher Training at Craven Community College. In this video, I will demonstrate how to submit your grades using self-service. First, I go to the URL that takes me to self-service. It is posted in the Hybrid and Online Teacher Training Resources course under self-service. I will enter my Active Directory username and password. And now I'm going to look under the faculty menu. Now that I am on the faculty menu, I'm going to click on my course under my course section. And here I see my course. It's a fully online course. So I'm going to select the link for that. And now a list of my students will pop up. I'm going to select grading. And now that I've opened the grading tab, I'm going to choose the appropriate grade for each of my students. In order to enter the final grades, I need to select Final Grade here next to the word Overview. This will allow me to enter the students' final grades. So I will go to my Moodle gradebook, look for the grade for each student. If they never attended, I would check this box. If they failed or were withdrawn, I need to assign a last date of attendance, and otherwise I would just enter the final grade here. So after looking at the course total in Moodle, I will drop down and select the grade for each of my students. And there is no submit button on this. So once you're done, you can just X out of the self-service menu and your grade should be saved. So that's it. Thank you for joining me for this hot topic of self-service grading. See you next time.